were last year before, then you run away with the division. But clearly that's not the case, and it's not a fluke as well. When you look at how they stack up statistically in different categories, this team's for real. So that's going to push the Dodgers through the finish line instead of perhaps being able to kind of kick your feet up, rest, set up a rotation for the postseason, all of those things. So it is. I mean, but it's good because I think when you go into the postseason,
40 defections past 4 points.
The Home Comfort Experts, Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, Weather Center.
For ABC 21, your weather authority, I'm meteorologist Gabe.